The ultimate liver and kidney cleansing juice recipe diet for kidney stone. Parsley juice. Parsley juice is really a potent and concentrated version of all of the diet within the plant, together with a wealthy variety of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, enzymes, chlorophyll, and volatile oils. The best-known parsley juice health advantages include kidney cleansing and detoxing, which page has detailed instructions for a recipe for juicing parsley along with a detox parsley smoothie for this function. Watermelon. Watermelon juice is ideal for flushing the kidneys, and watermelon seeds are stated to become especially advantageous for kidney gemstones. If this sounds like something you Euro trademark worried about, discover a watermelon using the brown seeds as opposed to the seedless varieties. Organic celery. Celery juice strengthens the kidneys and liver, helping to get rid of toxins. Regrettably, conventionally grown celery frequently includes a high pesticide load, so organic is certainly more suitable. Beet. Beet or beetroot juice is a superb cleanser and detoxifier, designed for the liver. It's also stated to purify the bloodstream, which help get rid of calcium oxalate gemstones. Organic carrot. Carrot juice is yet another effective body cleanser, especially great for knees. Carrots can absorb pesticides and high metals in the ground they're grown in order that they ought to be organic to create this recipe as healthy as you possibly can.